Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a scratch tutorial on how to make a translator. So let's get into it. First let's go to costumes and take the eraser. Now let's take text. Wait, let's just do this. And now let's take text and let's type Google Translate. It'll be cool. So we got translate here. Put this here on top. You can put it in any translator you like with your name, anything like that. I took Google Translator, it already exists. Now let's go to choose a sprite. Before that, let's go to code and add it so that we can upload sprite. And I already have the image which I want. Yeah, you can make it bigger or either smaller, depends on how you like it. So now we got this. Now let's go to the basic coding things which we have to do. First let's go to events. Take when flag clicked. Now we are left to go to sensing. Ask what's your name and wait. Then here we have to take answer and place it over here. Now what's your name, you can type anything you want, but I'm gonna type what to translate today. What to translate today. As it looks a little bit cool. And when you click on this flag, ask you what to translate today. So, yeah. So now let's go to the other stuff. This is a simple coding, it's easy. And now from the HTML box here, you can add translate. Click on this and you get some options to translate. So first you need the first one, place it over here. Put the answer, translate to Russian. So now you can choose any language here. So that's it, coding is simple. So now what to translate today. So now let's type hello. Translate it. Okay, the answer hello is up to you here. You can double click on it or right click on it to get the readouts. I'll put normal, but if you want you can put readouts like this. So now let's click on translate answer to Russian. And here we go, you get hello in Russian. Now let's try another language like Chinese. Yeah, here we go, Chinese, Arabic. Here we go, any language you like. As long as it is in this list, we can get those languages. So I hope you guys like this video and learned something new. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Thank you, guys.